the temperature like that 65, 75, 85, 65, 75, 85, that was heated by the solar system, solar energy. And then they saved lot of energy. And that was the main purpose, to install such kind of system. So now you correlate the thing. Now you correlate the thing, means what will be impact of such kind of system to the society. So who will explain this? Anurag, Vishkarma, if you are ready, raise your hand. Aditya Narayan, Anshi Jain. Okay. Just wait, Anshi. Not going to unmute. Yes, Anshi, bolo. Hello. Hello, Anshi. Hello. Your voice is not here. Okay, leave it now. Okay, Chandras. चंद्रास बोलो.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, so केस ये है कि due to the technical support, and that was suggested by the department. Basically, they had been in touch with our department, School of Energy and Environmental Studies, basically. And then that time our HOD was Professor R.L. Sani, so he suggested them to, because you see that our department had collaboration with almost all industries, and they had a industrial academia forum, that was National Institute of Industry Forum for Energy. So under this banner they had conducted many activities. So many industrial delegates, they attended the program. So then they gave the problem. So that was the suggestion, that why don't you go by the water heating system, and that was subsidized also that time. So later on, with the support of the ministry subsidy, and they got the project approval and then installation. And luckily I was in that MPhil wedge, so visited that place and understand the concept properly. So that was just one model. No one other industry having the same thing, and that was a point, means Tata Export having that water heating system to feed the water into the boiler section. So many industrial company nearby, like that in Indore, like that Pithampur, like that Ujjain, like that Ratlam, Nagda. So those industries visited that Tata Export Limited to see that, means what kind of benefit they are having. And after that, many companies had installed such kind of system in their industrial area. One company installed that PV system installation. Steel Tubes of India Limited is also located at Devas. So they installed that time that very big solar PV system in their campus. Another one company, I don't remember the name, they had installed a bigger water heating system in their industrial area. Okay, so that was just for the demo. And now, if you go by that MNRE report, you will find like that 2 lakh liter per day capacity system is also there somewhere in India. So basically, that hot water temperature provide that energy saving, and to heat the water, this is one-time investment. That's of course free source. That means energy, solar energy. So solar energy is free of cost available. So they enjoyed, and payback period is also very less. So they had gone like that. Okay, so earlier companies installed the flat plate collector because that time evacuated tube collector development was not there, and due to the recent development, the price was very high. Slowly, the price of the ETC system was also going down because many competitors in the market, many companies manufactured. So then price was so reasonable, and right now that price is so reasonable. So nowadays that if you have proper security at your home, so you will prefer also that evacuative collector based system because that results better than the flat plate collector as losses are very less. Like this, yesterday we had seen. So convection heat loss due to air movement inside the collector can be significantly reduced by the maintaining a vacuum. I told you yesterday there is a tube in tube, and in between the gap of these tube that removed by the vacuum pump, and then outer diameter of the inner tube that was coated by the black paint. That was a simple model. Later on, the heat pipe concept also came into the market. And nowadays, the evacuated tube collectors are based on the heat pipe concept. So you can see here, due to their shape, glass tubes can better resist than ambient air pressure, and therefore no support are needed between the back and the front side. So evacuated tube collector comprises a closed glass tube inside, which is a metal absorber sheet with a heat pipe in the middle containing a temperature sensitive medium such as methanol. Methanol भी यूज कर सकते हैं and other sources भी यूज कर सकते हैं. Whatever heat transfer fluid you have. So companies generally not disclose their heat transfer fluid in the ETC website. You can find all kind of detailed dimension there, that glass thickness, etc., etc. But if you are looking at what kind of exactly the heat transfer fluid they are using, they just mention this, etc. This plus this combination. They don't disclose the ratio properly. Okay, so that's their code basically. So in the heat pipe, basically the sun heats up and vaporize the heat pipe fluid, and then vapor again rises to the condenser and heat exchanger at the end of pipe. Means you see the radiation is falling on the surface of the tube, and then it will absorb by the sheet because black coating, and then temperature increased, and temperature increase, and heat pipe is made by copper. Copper is high conductivity material. So then heat transfer to the heat transfer fluid, and heat transfer fluid will vaporize, and you see the lot of energy is needed because latent heat of vaporization is high. So then it will go to the top just because of density difference, and at the top there is a water circulation through the pump. So that cold water will take the heat, so the heat transfer fluid that will be condensed because energy absorbed and temperature reduced. So again the phase change, and then it will go down, and then again it will absorb and it will go. So that process will continue going on until unless you are having a stagnant temperature in the system, and just because of that you are having the high temperature. So that concept was going on. So like this, I am now slide number 12. So you can see here, this is a double glass vacuum insulation tube, and then you can see here there is a heat pipe, and then there is a heat transfer fin that is made by aluminium or stainless steel or like that MS, means whatever means material you have, that material should having the thickness point of view as well as the conductivity point of view. The two concepts you have to keep in your mind and then see this. And this is the heat pipe condenser. Principle of an evacuated tube collector with heat pipe view from top, like this. From this side it's going up and then transfer like this. Heat vapor rises on the top, cool liquid falls to the bottom. Okay. So with this you can get the higher amount of the radiation converted into the form of solar thermal energy. A barium getter is used to at bottom at the inner evacuated tube. This barium layer actively absorbs all CO, CO2, N2, O2, S2O. The tube is one continuous species with no metal embedded, which makes the vacuum tube have longer service lifetime. So that's also used by some companies. I'm at slide number 19. You can see here. So if you see by the bottom side, then you can see the inner tube because that outer shell is transparent and inner having the coating, that selective coating. And you can see here evacuated tube and then copper heat pipe, and blue color means the low temperature and red color means the high temperature. So by that way you can solve the problem. Like that. Right now I am slide number 28. So that is the case basically, and that's also having a heat exchanging concept. So you can see here that tube heat pipe and inserted into that section, and that's also made by copper. So heat transfers so fast, and from that point the water is going to circulate. So the cold water will take the energy and then that energy transfer, and then heat pipe fluid temperature reduce and that will go down, and heat basically transfer, and that heat is going to into the water storage tank where you have lot of capacity like that 120 liter, 150 liter, 200 liter, and you are going to circulate that water. Okay, so this is the basically concept. Okay, now go to the next. This is the section. These are the copper tubes, means basically heat pipe. UTC is here, and then you see that one tube is just not having the glasses, so that heat pipe is installed like this, and that connected here. So from this side water is coming and this side water is leaving. So overall that closed loop circulation is there, and with the help of this you will get the solar energy converted into the thermal energy. And you see now insulating material here, you can see the glass wool, and there are lot of good insulator now available, so that portion handled very well now. Otherwise we have to use the glass wool, which installation having such kind of security risk for the labor who have to do that job. So the features is the tube structure is between all glasses, two metal glasses with heat pipe, suitable for frigid zone because there is no water in the tube. Because you see, if you have installed the system in that cold climatic zone where the ambient temperature gone down, then you cannot use it. flat plate collector, because water tubes, water inside the tube, that will expand as a volume function, and then that's not good for the system. But here, that heat transfer fluid is there, not water, so heat can be transferred. So suitable for the fluid zones. Designed for pressure system, heat pipe material, copper. Of course, the heat collecting part is a vacuum glass tube. Stable solar conversion throughout the round shaped tube, allowing the solar penetration from all angles. So that was the 4 or 5 years before. Basically, I got this data from a presentation which was available on MNRE website. Right now, the cost of this will be little bit uh, 15 to 20% down. Exactly, we have to find out from the research publication or from that somewhere presentation. So if 75 liter number of tube 11, so that portion is most important for us. 100 liter, that 14 tube, 200 meter 28, 250 34, 350 400 500 liter capacity, we need 600 tubes, and then we have to use 80,000 rupees for the cost for the solar water heating system. 600. So from 600 liter to 2000 liter, 12 tubes per 100 liters. So cost of rupees 1207. Okay. So this is 3000, 4000, 5000 liter capacity. And in industry, that capacity is very much bigger than that. So in commercial point of view, we can install such kind of thing, but industry sector, that's needed a huge capacity. So overall, this is the uh, introduction of the evacuating tube collector. So I am going to now discuss with someone. Rishabh Tiwari, are you there? Raise the hand. Okay. हाँ ऋषभ. Hello. 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 Rishabh, can you hear me? Rohan Jindal. रोहन. रोहन.
हेलो.
हाँ
हेलो.
रोहन बताओ. यस.
हाँ जी सर.
हाँ तो ये बताओ, फ्लैट प्लेट कलेक्टर और एवैक्यूएटेड ट्यूब कलेक्टर्स में मेन डिफरेंस क्या लगा?
सर फ्लैट प्लेट में कन्वेक्शन लॉस ज़्यादा मतलब बहुत होता है और इवैक्यूएटेड में फिर वैक्यूम हम क्रिएट कर देते हैं तो उस वजह से कन्वेक्शन की वजह से हीट लॉस नहीं होता तो एफिशिएंसी बढ़ जाती है.
Suppose you have to install the system in your apartment or in your house, which one you will prefer and why?
सर फ्लैट प्लेट प्रेफर करेंगे शायद क्योंकि इवैक्यूएटेड का कॉस्ट बहुत ज़्यादा है और जो यूज़ होगा हाउस होल्ड में वो बहुत लो लेवल पे होगा तो इंडस्ट्रीज में आई गेस कन्वेक्शन का ज़्यादा यूज़ होना चाहिए.
अच्छा, तो कितने लोग हैं तुम्हारी फैमिली में?
सर 4.
हो तो व्हाट वुड बी द कैपेसिटी ऑफ द सिस्टम?
एसटी.
भाई फ्लैट प्लेट कलेक्टर वाला जो सिस्टम है, वो कुछ कैपेसिटी का
हाँ
तो
जी.
होगा कि एक कलेक्टर लगाया हमने, दो कलेक्टर लगाए, या हमने 100 लीटर रखा, या 200 लीटर रखा, या 150 लीटर रखा?
हाँ जी. हाँ जी.
तो कौन सा लेंगे आप और क्यों?
सर नहीं बताया।
ये बताओ कि कोई एक नॉर्मल पर्सन है जो basically you are dealing in that shower as well as you will use that water into the kitchen applications. Okay, so suppose you
यस
have to take the shower, so one person consume how much water? 20 लीटर।
शावर में।
20 लीटर
यस
मान
सर।
लिया। 20 लीटर मान लिया मैंने। 20 लीटर तो बहुत ज्यादा है, मैं कहता हूँ 10 लीटर ले लिया। So suppose 50 liter you use in the shower and 50 liter you have to send it to the kitchen application. Okay,
यस
and it's not like that 65 or 75-degree temperature water is coming to the wash means your washroom, and then you have to take that temperature. No, you cannot take bath. You
यस
have to mix with the cold water. That's why in the shower section there is a two taps. One is
यस
connected from that tank and second one connected with the solar system, the solar
यस सर।
system. So when you operate that, you have to make the combination and you have to get the moderate type temperature 40, 41, 38, and then at this temperature you have to take the shower. So when you will mix with that, suppose 10-liter hot water into the cold water, then approximate that will come into the 15 to 20 liter, because lot of heat is there. MCP delta T you can calculate with your hand.
यस सर।
Okay, so you can understand then lot of water cold which was available at the tap means from the overhead tank. हम लोगों के घरों में सबसे ऊपर छत पे एक पानी का टंकी हम लोग क्यों रखवाते हैं?
स्टोर करके रखने के लिए।
स्टोर करके रखने के लिए। मॉर्निंग में when power is available, just to open the switch and then the water will pump on the top, and then once the tank capacity full, we have an idea that 15 minutes 20 minutes within that tank will full, so we just put off the switch, and then
यस
that 500-liter capacity or 1000-liter capacity we have to use in our whole day activity, and that's also connected to the washroom, to that bathroom, and to the shower, everything that connected with that.
यस सर।
And
ड्रिंकिंग
solar
वाटर।
system also connected with the kitchen area as well as in the your washroom area. So you have to mix that water and then get the medium type temperature which is affordable by the body, and then take the shower. So overall 4 person needed, I can
सर
say,
अराउंड 150 125 लीटर सर।
100-liter capacity system available, 120-liter capacity system available, 150-liter capacity system is also available. But if you go by 100-liter capacity system, then you have to install one collector. वो जो flat plate collector starting में दिखाया था same.
हाँ जी।
So if 150 is the capacity, then of course temperature of the overall water will be lower. If that one
यस
collector is connected with that 100 liters, then temperature of the water will be high. So like that, you have to think about that, what, how much amount of water you needed and what would be your temperature requirement range. So these 2 points, when you clear in your mind, then you can have the installation. And second thing is that whenever you visit such kind of fair जो towns में लगते हैं, नगर municipal corporation, and there you can find such kind of installation by that shops sponsored or ministry sponsored or state nodal agency sponsored counter, where you can get such kind of information, and then you just go there, discuss with them. They will give you the shopkeeper card. We just recorded and we will provide information to the shop owner, and they will contact you. So later on, the person will make you a call or they will visit your home, and then they will inform you about the possibility of this installation. And once you satisfy, and price is not that much high, so generally people don't prefer to go by the bank loan. However, bank loan is also available for this, है ना? So like that is going on. It's really very good. And when I was in Taiwan, so sometime I had visited my professor's house, and he was having 3-story building. Size was not that much big, 150 square meter area, but that was having 3-story. So every floor having the 2 rooms. So 6 plus 1 7 means basically 4 floors: ground floor, first floor, second floor, fourth floor. And on the fourth floor, that half portion having the room, washroom वगैरह, and then rest part is just installed the water heating system, the 400-liter capacity. And that 400-liter capacity was so big for them because they were husband and wife. But important thing is that every day that professor clean the solar system on the roof. That was their routine activity. And every time that system worked well. Whenever I visited that place, I took shower by the solar thermal system, and their electricity bill is very very less. Still they are doing the same practice. And because he loves to the environment, so the concept is this: if we will not take care the environment, then who will take care? We are educated person, we know these are the challenges, these are the problems are going on against the environment, which we have to take care. So if we do like that, so we can also participate to save the environment. That's the motive. Money making issue is the secondary. First is that environmental point of view thinking. That's most important. Okay, so like this, now I am going to close this file, and now I am showing you that solar water heaters. Chandras Verma. Chandras,
Yes, sir. Visible.
so solar water heating system slide is there.
Yes, sir.
You see this? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now you see the component of a water heating system is the flat plate collector or evacuated tube collector. And then there is a tank from which the water is going to circulate. And then the tube pipes, pumps, these are the components of the water heating system. Okay. So solar water heater system made of collectors and storage tank. These systems use sun energy, of course. The heated water is then stored in the tank similar to the conventional gas or electric water tank. Like that. In slide number 2, you can see the solar water heating system, domestic water heating system, pool and spa heating system, and process water heating system. At that time means 15 years, 20 years before in the industry. Right now that portion replaced by the evacuated tube collector because system old and efficiency was not that much high. So those systems somewhere replaced by the evacuated tube collector. Okay. Second one is the pool and spa heating. So if you remember in the flat plate collector, you had seen that there is a glazing. Glass लगा हुआ था. Suppose there is no glass and then rest arrangement is embedded in that plastic sheet. And of course that plastic sheet you have to paint it dull black paint. And then you expose that panel on the roof, and then you will see that energy will absorb in it. And if you have a closed loop, so slowly that energy will transfer to the system. Such kind of unglazed system installed for the pool and spa heating. So that swimming pool and spa connected, such kind of system means collectors, and those collectors play a very beautiful role. Second thing is that the cost of these collectors are cheaper as compared to flat plate collector and evacuated tube collector. Okay. And third one is the residential water heating system, which was I was just discussing with the guy. क्या नाम था? ऋषभ तिवारी. ऋषभ, हाँ, रोहन जिंदल के साथ. Okay. So that is that domestic sector basically. Okay. So in slide number 3, you can see that 150 means 1500 liter capacity per day. installed at Mysore, a solar hot water system installed at Rajya Sabha, member of residence. In Delhi, you can see very well. I mean, there are so many installations in that VIP area. Third one is that flat plate collector system, this one. And fourth one is also flat plate collector system. Nikhil. Nikhil,
Yes, sir. Yes,
now
sir. Yes, sir.
explain this picture. The
Sir, the first
my
one.
नहीं फर्स्ट वन नहीं थर्ड वन जहाँ पे कर्सर दिख रहा है तुमको.
Yes, sir.
हाँ,
Sir,
the
sir, मैंने
domestic
देखा
water heating
third
system.
one flat.
हाँ, third one flat plate collector.
Yes, sir.
Can you explain the fundamentals of this one?
Yes, sir. I can explain the fundamentals of flat plate collector only. Sir, glass plate है सर और सनलाइट आके उसमें स्ट्राइक कर रही है अंदर.
Okay.
फिर अंदर हमारे वो पाइप्स लगे हुए हैं. पहले एक शीट है हमारे अंदर जो कि एल्यूमिनियम की शीट होती है.
Okay.
और वो अंदर का जो पार्ट है वो ब्लैक कलर से कोटेड है जिससे एब्जॉर्प्टिविटी बढ़ जाती है और ट्रांसमिटेंस नहीं हो रहा एनर्जी का.
Okay, good.
उसके अंदर सर फिर कॉपर पाइप्स है जो कि गुड कंडक्टिव मतलब कंडक्टिविटी है जिनकी हीट के लिए. और उन पाइप्स के अंदर वाटर फ्लो कर रहा है जो कि हीट को ट्रैवल कर रहा है ऊपर की साइड. तो उसी हम वाटर को स्टोर कर ले रहे हैं. वो जो हीटेड वाटर है उसको हम यूटिलाइज कर रहे हैं अपने काम के लिए.
हाँ, गुड.
और यूजुअली उसको यूज करने के लिए हम उसे मिक्स कर लेते हैं क्योंकि इतना हाई टेम्परेचर हमें डोमेस्टिक यूज के लिए चाहिए नहीं होता है कोल्ड वाटर के साथ.
Now you see that collector having the storage just above the collector, that is the cylindrical shape.
Yes,
Okay. So in that cylindrical, that is the double walled cylinder basically. There is a inner cylinder and then there is a gap and then outer cylinder. Outer dimension you आपको दिख रहा है जो
Yes, sir.
outer cylinder है. So in between there is a gap and that gap was filled by the insulating material. So whatever energy transferred from that collector to the storage tank, that's going to recirculate in up to the whole day until or unless that collector going for the stagnant condition, means that water is heated up to the maximum point and then rest amount of radiation will maintain the temperature. Otherwise क्या होगा? The temperature will be reduced.
ये सर हीट लॉस हो जाएगा स्टोरेज.
Heat loss हो जाएगा. So that temperature maintained, and if you want to take the water on the same time, you can take it. If you want to take the water during late night, hardly 1 degree or 1.5 degree temperature will be dropped. If you want to take the shower next day morning, then you will also get the heat of the water. So overall, whatever your requirement on the spot, late evening or next day morning, you will maintain by that way. And next day again solar radiation is there. So if you are using every day your water consumption, whatever water is stored in the tank capacity, that is 100 liter, I think so. If 100 liter you are consuming every day, that means next day again 100 liter will be there. So you will utilize that system maximum, and then you can solve lot of problems. Means basically this is installed just because of environmental point of view, first thing. Second thing is that because electricity is very high rate in India, 5.5 or 6.5 or 7.5 rupees per unit, then we can save money also. And third one most important point is this: suppose you don't have the system at home and you need hot water, then what you will do? You will just on the geyser and then take the shower. So you consume at least 1 unit or 1.5 unit to heat the water. So if you have this, you will not use that unit, and that unit will count as a support to the farming belt. Now you compare with that the million houses. In your town you are having the 300,000, 3 लाख पॉपुलेशन सपोज आपके पास है, या 1 लाख आपके पास हाउसेज हैं, और 1 लाख हाउसेज में हर कोई इसको यूज करता है. So then you can see that 3 lakh unit or 3 into 2.5, that means 3 लाख का अगर टाउन है, 3 लाख हाउस है, तो 7,50,000 unit you can save just because of this system. and then that unit will use in the near farming belt where they will use for the irrigation purpose to take the water to run the other applications, and then they will just grow their production well.
Yes,
And
sir.
we, as a very big country, we need lot of power. Our population is so high. Our industrial area needed lot of power. Our commercial area needed lot of power. Domestic also, and then parallelly rural area, Gramin Kshetra, they also needed lot of power. And Gramin area condition is now better, but I had seen very bad phase of these areas. Still means now अब तो मतलब यूं समझ लीजिए आप कि 70 to 80% प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व है. Just they are just away few hours power. In village areas now they are also getting power, but still there are so many far from the headquarters town, village areas, farming belt, they are not having power. District headquarters are 100 किलोमीटर दूर, 75 किलोमीटर दूर, 80 किलोमीटर दूर, जो गांव पड़ते हैं ब्लॉक के अंदर, so they don't have enough amount of power. And if you see, can we provide power to them on the side like that? The solar heating system can provide heat, solar PV system can provide power, so then they will be not depending on the grid, they will depend themselves. So government is also working in this direction, but we have to speed up. So if we do that, then definitely we will solve such kind of problem. But in second thing is that very big country, number of thousands villages are there. So it's not easy to just put this on the board, to discuss in the class, and to just write as a answer of the question. That's so easy. But if you do that practically, this will take a lot of time. And for that, definitely the government have to dedicate it for this particular task. And you see, then it's not like that only one point government can point it out as a most important point, because that need to all power sector, industrial sector, commercial sector, health sector, and then food security. Lot of things need to take care at the same time. So that's why means the progress is little bit slower. But definitely we will solve this problem, not now, maybe 10 years later. But 10 years later के बात करेंगे, इसका मतलब नहीं कि आज हाथ पाथ धर के बैठ जाओ. We have to do whatever we can do, and that's going on. So because of that, we had solved many issues. Another example, my all relatives are in village in my hometown. I had been there, and they are now in Greater Noida belt. So money is not a matter to them. So I asked them, why don't you go with the solar water heating system and solar air heating system and solar photovoltaic? So they said, earlier we were not having roads. Now there is a big roads. Earlier we were not having management. Now they corporation manage the villages also. Earlier we did not see the power just 2 hours, 3 hours. I remember when I was in primary section, I was there at many times, and you cannot believe, I had seen many villages without a power. गांव में लाइट नहीं होता था. रात होने पर इवनिंग आवर्स के बाद में हर घर के यहाँ मिट्टी के तेल के लैंप चल जाते थे. एंड यू हैव टू मैनेज. पढ़ाई की तो आप भूल जाइए, आपका खाना बनना है ना, तो वो इवनिंग तक ही बने आएगा. अगर आप खाना बनाने में थोड़ा चूक गए तो रात हो जाएगी, आप खाना नहीं बना पाएंगे वहां ढंग से. दैट वाज एवरीबॉडी एक्टिविटीज टू प्रिपेयर द मील बिफोर सनसेट. और यही वजह थी कि शाम के 4:30-5 बजे खाना बनाने की एक्टिविटी शुरू रहती शाम की. और जैसे इवनिंग होती है 6 बजे के आसपास दिन छिप गया, एट द सेम टाइम वी हैव टू टेक द डिनर. तो हम लोग पूछते थे, हम लोग तो टाउन में रहते थे, हम गाँव जाते थे, तो हम पूछते मम्मी इतने खाना क्यों खा रहे हैं? भैया यहाँ रात हो जाती है. फिर धीरे धीरे हमारी समझ में भी आ गया कि यहाँ तो पावर ही नहीं है. तो देन आई फोर्स माय मॉम टू गो बैक टू माय होम टाउन बुलंदशहर. मम्मी घर चलो, यहाँ अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, no power, no radio, no TV, even night time you cannot have it. And then slowly then electrification started, and then everybody got connection, and later on connection was there but no power. Overall you are having that 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours power. But right now the condition is very well. Power is not fluctuating in that area also. So they said कि पीवी सिस्टम में क्यों लगाऊंगा जब मेरे यहाँ पावर का कोई शॉर्टेज ही नहीं है. एंड देन आई एम पेइंग द इलेक्ट्रिसिटी फॉर वेरी चीप रेट. ग्रामीण क्षेत्र है. दैट्स इट. एंड इफ आई फोर्स देम टू अंडरस्टैंड द एनवायरमेंट कॉन्सेप्ट, दे आर नॉट रेडी टू लिसन. उनकी समझ में ही नहीं आ रहा है. दे हैव मनी बट लिटरेसी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू दैट आर नॉट एडिक्वेट. तो वो लोग नहीं समझ रहे हैं चीजों को. So this is a really very genuine problem. One of my auntie is nearby the hometown, 4-5 किलोमीटर के अंदर की रेंज में उनका गांव है. I forced them many times to have the biogas unit. They are having lot of cattle. They said, अरे हमारे यहाँ नौकर है, वो सब करता है, सारा काउडंग ले जाकर बाहर डालता है, उसके बाद उसको काउडंग केक में कन्वर्ट करता है, फिर उसको स्टोर करता है, और हम लोग तो जाते हैं वहाँ वेट करते हैं और नेबर्स को दे देते हैं, कैश पेमेंट ले लेते हैं. And within that payment we are paying salary to this guy, and he is working partially in the house. इवनिंग में वो आता है, 2-3 घंटे काम करता चला जाता है. But they are not ready to accept that biomass gasification, biofuels, biogas. अरहर की खेती होती है उनके यहाँ 2-4 बीघे में, और दाल, अरहर का जो दाल होता है दैट इज ए प्रोडक्ट. पर वो खेती उस प्रोडक्ट के लिए नहीं होती है, वो तो सेकेंडरी है. वो खेती होती है कि अरहर की लाल की लकड़ी बहुत लंबी होती है और उसमें मॉइस्चर बहुत कम होता है, तो उसको वो स्टोर करके रखते हैं ऊपर वाले सेक्शन में, और रेनी टाइम में उस अरहर की दाल की लकड़ी से वो जो है चूल्हा जलाते हैं अपना. एंड यू कैन नॉट बिलीव दैट बर्न सो गुड. आई हैव सीन दैट. बहुत ड्राई होता है, बहुत अच्छे से जलता है और खाना बनता है. इवन दे आर हैविंग द गैस बट दे प्रिफर टू प्रिपेयर द मील बाय द चूल्हा. और जब कोई गेस्ट आता है तो देन दे यूज द गैस, कि चाय बनाओ, नाश्ता बनाओ, ऐसा वैसा, बट दे प्रिफर टू प्रिपेयर द मील बाय द ट्रेडिशनल चूल्हास, एंड दे बर्न बायोमास. आई फोर्स देम टू मच. आई सजेस्टेड ऐसा है, ये होता है, वो होता है, बट दे डिड नॉट लिसन. So still the condition is same whatever was there 20 years before. Not ready to accept. Okay. So this is also the flat plate collector system. Now you go to the next one. This is the thermosiphonic system. In a thermosiphonic system, that hot water and cold water, and that hot water enter into the collector and then heat it up, and due to the density difference, then water is again going back to the storage tank. Just because of density difference, that water is circulation, and that is going on until or unless the stagnant temperature achieved in the tank. जब तक टैंक में कांस्टेंट टेम्परेचर अचीव नहीं होगा, ये सर्कुलेशन होता रहेगा, और जब हो जाएगा तो देन फ्लो विल बी स्टॉप एंड योर वाटर इज हीटेड अप टू द मैक्सिमम टेम्परेचर, एंड देन यू कैन यूज इट. So thermosiphonic water heating systems are good for the residential sector. Commercial में और industrial में we cannot recommend this one. If we are using this is okay, but just for the recommendation point of view, that force flow system is needed. So this is thermosiphon. That is the double cycle system with force circulation. So force means वहां पे पंप है. Active system means वहां पे पंप है. Passive system means natural phenomena है. There is no pump. That is passive system. So here you can see a pump is there. So pump just operate and then forward the water. So water circulation through the pump, and then the water is passes through the collector and going back, and in that heat exchanger, so that hot water release that energy and then transfer to the cold water. And now the second thing is that if you don't have the sunny days, so then you can use your electricity. So you can use the electricity to heat the water. Okay, so like that you can see in the colonies a solar district heating system. Okay, so such kind of things you have to think. Okay, this is the colony base, this is the central storage tank. So like that, so many apartments having in the building and they are sharing a storage tank. This is applicable to my tower at RJIPT. हमारे घरों के ऊपर जो है, सबके घर के ऊपर अप्रोक्सीमेट आई थिंक 300 to 500 का है, एंड दैट शेयर्ड बाय ए ब्लॉक. सो एक ब्लॉक में कितने लोग होंगे, जैसे एक फ्लोर पे 4 अपार्टमेंट हैं, लाइक दैट. सो ग्राउंड फ्लोर पे कोई है, देन फर्स्ट पे कोई है, सेकंड पे मैं हूँ, एंड देन जस्ट अ मिनट बेटा, एक मिनट पानी. So that is 6 flats basically in a so first occupied ground floor, first floor, second floor, third floor, fourth floor. So we shared that hot water. And nowadays, if there is a good sunshine, so we don't prefer to use the geyser. The water will come through the system, this storage tank, and then you will enjoy that shower. आपको गीजर ऑन करने की जरूरत नहीं है. So this concept is used in RJIPT also. Okay, so that's all by today, है ना. बाकी फिर कल स्टार्ट करते हैं. कल इसमें थोड़ा सा आगे जाएंगे and then see that. तो चंद्रस, हेलो.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
तो आज वाटर हीटिंग सिस्टम हम लोगों ने कर लिया है.
Yes,
तो
sir.
इसका जो पोर्शन बचा हुआ है उसको करेंगे, है ना. उसके बाद में फिर नेक्स्ट देखते हैं क्या होता है. ठीक है ना.
Yes, sir.
तो इसको पैरेलली नोट्स बनाते चलना. स्लाइड तो मैं भेज ही दूंगा जो भी दिखा रहा हूँ, है ना. बट इस बार मैं कुछ डिफरेंट क्वेश्चन पूछने का सोच रहा हूँ, लाइक दैट डिजाइन द वाटर हीटिंग सिस्टम फॉर ए 6-person फैमिली. को खाली डिजाइन ही बनाना पड़ेगा. नंबर ऑफ फैमिली 6, नंबर ऑफ वाटर यूजेज इज दिस, देन नंबर ऑफ कलेक्टर इज दिस, कितने कलेक्टर लगेंगे, कलेक्टर से एनर्जी कितनी ट्रैप होगी, इफ रेडिएशन इज दिस, वाटर हीटिंग सिस्टम के लिए कितनी एनर्जी रिक्वायरमेंट है. दैट ऑल काइंड ऑफ बेसिक कैलकुलेशंस आर नीडेड, एंड देन यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर ए शीट. वो शीट आपको भरनी होगी, है ना. इस टाइप से कराएंगे, ठीक है ना. हाँ, ओके देन बेटा.